the gears in the SOLIDWORKS. In part document or assemblies, go to the design library, add-ins toolbox, subsection inch power transmission. Select folder the gears and select type of gears, including left mouse button drag onto the stage. Then let's go and waiting for the activate the configuration windows. In Windows set the properties, view all, properties, number, angel, face 5 maybe, and other property, overland, hub, and another. Conceal configurate, OK. And cancel insert components. That's all about the gears.